Hi, my name is Raymond and I've been a member of Tiny Whoop Philippines since 2017. My journey in RC started in 1996, so I've played with RC cars, monster trucks, Formula 1. So pretty much when it has a controller, I'm very interested in it. So that's how I got involved into FPV racing. I got interested in 3D printing back in 2016. Because of my interest in the RC hobby, I felt the need to buy my own 3D printer. I got my first 3D printer back in 2016 and I've been upgrading it to what it is today. Currently, I'm using the ANET A8 and I'm happy to say that it's still working efficiently. I've printed specialized parts for mini drones and tiny whoops. 3D printing is what transforms your ideas into reality. Anything you can think of, you can basically print. If you want to look for 3D printable files, you can visit thingiverse.com. If you want me to print 3D stuff for you, then message me on Facebook. Let's talk. For more upcoming episodes, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tiny Whoop Philippines. Whoop on!